A little Ford car. Definitely needs that exhaust done. There's no play in that one, but you can see the boot's knackered, so it needs a track rod on down there. There is play in this one, so there's play in that track rod end there. Tyres on the front, not too bad. Brake disc pads on the front, they're good. Oh, what's happened there? That wee wire's coming to there. That's your brake pad wear indicator, that one. So it needs the exhaust flexi. Sump's good, that's good. It's been done. Been done, they're prone for going, so we can hear that blowing away there. So it needs that. 2 track rod ends could be doing with. And yeah, that tyre there, that's a bit poor. That one's not quite as bad, but it is a bit perished. What's the date on them? 2018, not too old. So thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back. We have a little Ford car, or is it? It's a Fiat 500. It is a Ford car, but it's basically a Fiat 500 underneath the Ford fork. So pads and discs in the front are good. The tyres not too bad, reasonable condition, reasonable tread. Like we said, the brakes are good. Play in this track rod end, however, not sure what that's from. Looks like a bit of tape for something, and you can see why. So the boot's all deteriorated there. That's now, oh well, there you go, so the grease is coming out. So this one, you see all the grease coming out. It's the boots are meant to be tight, you're not meant to be able to see the metal parts, so the boots have failed on it. So it could be doing, there is play on that side there, so it could be doing with a track rod end there. Could be doing with a track rod end, we know about the exhaust. Bah, race car mode. That is what the guy said, he said when it's accelerating. He did say when he turned a certain way that the noise seemed to get louder or quieter, I can't remember. Rear springs corroded, not broken. So you can see broken, sorry, corroded but not broken. Corroded but not broken. It looks like it's had shocks. Brake pipes, there's a little bit of swelling there. Same there, you can see there's a bit of swelling on it underneath that coating, so it might want the brake pipes in future. So that's your flexi, and you can see there actually that one's a bit more swollen there, that front to rear. So they're starting to swell up underneath the coats. Yeah, same with that one, you can actually see it's burst the coating there. So they may be okay, but we need to take all that off and have a look. You can see it there, just the swelling. So if you see one that's not swollen, like here, so it's nice and thin, that's a bit you can tell with the thickness of them. So it could be doing with 2 tyres on the rear. The tread's okay, but that one's got a puncture as well, so they're really badly cracked and perished there. I'd probably just recommend 2 tyres on the back. I mean, they should be safe enough, but definitely getting a bit tired looking, aren't they? So you can actually hear the exhaust if you so that's the back box, which does split there. I'd probably just recommend, because it's rotten around a bit here, you can see all the soot coming out it. There is meant to be a wee drain there to let the water out it, so that's probably why the soot's coming out there, but I would just recommend replacing that. Probably the time we get it off anyway, be knackered, so I just recommend front and rear. It doesn't seem to have any fancy chrome tailpipes on it or anything like that, so we'll price all these bits up on it. Give the customer a phone, probably tomorrow now, before we could do any more repairs on it. This is what time it is in the day now. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Fiat 500 Ford car in disguise. It's a Fiat 500. You see why they've wrought as well. So obviously you get the salt on the road, and then the condensation that's built up inside them. Hot gas in there creates condensation. So this is what happens. They rot from the inside out as well. So got the exhaust all removed. So the only bit that's left is just the manifold cat. Yeah, manifold cat. So this is the only bit that's left of the original exhaust. So, and we are going to paint it. I'm going to get a little coat of zinc, try and prolong life for them. So this is a rust inhibitor. So weld through zinc rich primer. So it's high in zinc. So it should prolong the life of it. You can see my professional paint booth we have there. So we'll get a little paint, we'll let it dry, and then we'll get it fitted onto the car, get it all pasted up, new clamps, etc. So yeah, stay tuned, we'll see how it looks. It's not really for the looks, it's just for the protection, to be honest. Giving that a little coat of the zinc. So I've zinced it, and we'll let it dry there in that professional paint booth there, next to all my scrap tyres, my patches that we've run dry off. No more patches. Just a couple of tyres, so we need to get rid of all these sticky bits. So we'll let it dry fine off there, and then we'll get it on. Right, so there's our old crap exhaust there. You can see we've got a new one on. All good. New clamp, new back box, new midsection, and obviously I painted that as well. Now, might not make any odds to it. It might not make any odds to how long it lasts, but we've tried anyway. So we've given it a little zinc coating, and we'll see if that prolongs the life of it a bit, hopefully. So there you go, guys. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day, okay?